Well, hi there. This is another lesson on using Joomla under your simplecmssites.co.uk website. Here you see the simplecmssites.co.uk site, and I'm going to show you how to add an article to your very own site, which will probably look reasonably similar to this. So what we're going to do is add something under the FAQ section, a new article. Let's actually start by adding it to this menu here, but eventually we'll add it to the FAQ section. So what do we do first? Well, first of all, you log in under your own domain /administrator. So I'll show you how to do this. You fill in the following URL, and that will take you to your administrator page, and you use your secure logon. Here mine is admin with my password. And the first place you go to is Article Manager. First of all, you have to create an article, then you link to that article via the menu. You can get to Article Manager via two ways, under the front control panel or via Content Article Manager. We're going to create a simple article. Here you see all the articles that exist under the Simple CMS Sites website. So you click New, and that will eventually load. We've got one or two internet issues here. Okay, so you type in the title, and we're just going to call this one Simple Test, and you see I've done this before. Don't worry about an alias, that's not important, and at the moment we're just going to leave these uncategorized. We'll talk about categories and stuff like that in a later lesson. Do we want it on the front page? Well, sorry, do we want it published? Yes. Do we want it on the front page? No. And let's just put some simple content in. So let's have a title here. So literally we highlight this and we'll make it heading 1. And here this drop down gives you all different heading options. They'll be predefined depending on the template that you chose. And this will have a simple paragraph text. There are a whole load more things you can do here. Adding pictures, pasting in from Word documents, use your copy and paste. Pretty much anything you can do in a Word document or similar. But at this stage we're just going to create something really simple. We also have a whole bunch of parameters. We can leave documents or leave articles in a queue, if you like, to publish later on, and we can also make them disappear at a certain time, say for seasonal offers, seasonal content. There are a whole load more other technical things here, but we won't bother with those at the moment. Literally all we're going to do, we've got our title, heading 1, this is a test, and we've got our text here. And we're going to save that. And you'll see that this now lives with all the other articles in the menu. And it said, successfully saved article. So what do we want to do now? Well, now we want to add this to the menu. And we've already set up here a main menu. You'll have this as well on your site. And what we're going to do is create a new menu item. So what we're actually doing, we've got the document, we've got the article here in the system, you won't be able to see it. We're going to now add that to the menu. So as simple as clicking New, it's an article link, and it's of the article layout. There's again a whole bunch more options here, but we'll choose this for now. This is a title that you wish to use. So use with caution, because this is what's going to be shown to the whole world. Alias we don't need to worry about, and link is auto-generated. Where do we want it? Well, it's in the main menu, that's all we have at the moment. Parent is important. We have a number of parent items here, and this will become important in a second. I'll show you what this means later on, but basically that's the hierarchy within the menu where you want your article to sit. Published, yes or no? Well, yes, of course we want to publish it. Public access, because we want everyone to look at it. And at the moment we'll just stick with parent window. This is all about popping up different windows and so forth. And the important bit now, we select our article. And it's this one here that we're going to select. And that's pretty much it for now. Let's click apply. and see what happens to our site. Let's hit F5 to refresh, or press your refresh button. You'll see here we have our article now appearing. That's it. It's that simple. Of course, now you might want to put that under the FAQ section, for example. This is where the parent items come in. So if we want to put it under the FAQ section, we've gone back to our administrator module, and I've selected FAQ, and we'll apply that. And here you'll see, if we click home now, our simple test has disappeared and it now lives under FAQ. Simple as that. You can see that Joomla is a really effective and rapid tool to get decent content online. As I say, with our article there, we can put all sorts of rich text in, rich media, videos, graphics. But for now, you've seen how you can get a really simple document into an article and online. Oh, by the way, one other thing. Let's click Save here to save all the changes. To change the ordering here, you can see you just literally click the up and down button, and we move our article live up and down the menu. So if we hit F5 again, you'll see that it's moved up the menu item, or the menu list. That's about it for now. We'll be publishing more tutorials and lessons as soon as we have them to enable you to use your new Joomla instance rapidly and with a lot of power. Thanks a lot.